Today, we've dissected the process of becoming a Canadian citizen. We've covered the primary eligibility requirements, including having permanent resident status, fulfilling residency obligations, filing taxes, and proving language proficiency. We've also walked you through the application process, which involves downloading the application package, completing the necessary forms, and paying the application fee. We've discussed the importance of staying updated on the costs involved, as these may be subject to change. Moreover, we've highlighted the need for organizing all your necessary documents, such as proof of residence, language proficiency, tax documents, and other required paperwork. We've also touched on the waiting period, which can take several months. Use this time to stay updated on your application status and prepare for your citizenship test by reading the Discover Canada book. Lastly, if your application is successful, you'll receive an invitation to a citizenship ceremony where you'll take the oath of citizenship and officially step into your new life as a Canadian citizen. Remember, this is a simplified guide and the process may evolve, so it's essential to refer to the official Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada website for the most up-to-date information. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.